Email verification failed on TradeStation Fix. If you're signing up for TradeStation and your email verification isn't going through, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong, but the issue is often a simple mix of email, browser or device settings rather than a problem with TradeStation itself. First, double-check the email address you entered. Even one typo, an extra space or a missing character can prevent the verification email from being sent. Accuracy here is critical. Next, inspect all your email folders, including spam, junk promotions, or any custom filters. Automated verification emails are sometimes flagged incorrectly by Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. Once you find the email, click the verification link right away, because these links often expire quickly. If you haven't received it, request a new verification email from TradeStation. Resending the link usually resolves the issue for most users. Browser or device problems can also interfere. Clear your browser cache, try a different browser or use the TradeStation mobile app to ensure proper delivery. Some security or ad blocking extensions may also prevent the email from loading correctly. Email providers sometimes block automated messages entirely. If this happens, consider signing up with a different email address, preferably Gmail or Outlook, which are more reliable for verification emails. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact TradeStation support. Explain that your email verification failed despite checking all folders, resending the link, and trying multiple devices. Support can manually verify your account, allowing you to start trading immediately. Remember, check your email carefully, look at all folders, resend the link if needed, try a different browser or device, and reach out to support if necessary. Following these steps usually resolves verification issues quickly, giving you full access to TradeStation.